Now to get this, see, okay, here we are, front. We've got one air conditioner over there, and one right here, old and broken. And our goal is to get them down to the ground. So I'm going to use this rope and this tree by slinging this rope over this tow rope over the tree while it's fastened to the air conditioner. Then go down there and hoist the air conditioner up. It'll come off, it'll hang, and it'll go down. That's the plan, but then again, I could run out of rope and it could come crashing down. That is the truth. That's my task right now. But yeah, I'm pretty sure these air conditioners are messed up anyways, so even if they get hurt, I don't know if it matters. Okay, cool. Thank you for watching. 117, 118,